So Exercise Forging Sabre allows us to have this end-to-end execution of this integrated sense and strike operations, being able to start from the planning all the way to the weapons dropping on the targets, which is something that we can never do anywhere else. The Mountain Home Range Complex offers us a very vast overland airspace as well as urban structures and the ability to have moving targets on the ground, which offers very challenging as well as realistic scenarios for our warfighters. This is the first time that the A330 MRTT is participating in Exercise Forging Sabre. What this gives us is increased endurance as well as range of our fighter aircraft. This allows us more operational flexibility in being able to prosecute targets at different ranges at different times of our choosing. We would like to express appreciation for the United States Air Force for allowing us to conduct Exercise Forging Sabre here in Mountain Home.
It's game time. Time to shine. Temperatures rising and I'm on the attack. So when you see this train coming, get off the tracks. Hunker down, brace for impact. Make way.